I've been asked to sketch the two graphs, but before I can do that, I'm going to have to rewrite my g of x function to get it into an equation that I can recognize. So the key to this is we're used to seeing f of x or g of x where this is our x value. But here, my x value is now an x plus 3. So it's telling me that my equation named g is going to use the equation f, but instead of an equation f where we've got the letter x, we're going to put and replace with x plus 3. So let's just rewrite it. G of x equals, and I'm going to take my f of x equation, and I've got parentheses. I'm going to leave a space for my x because that's what's being replaced. Minus 1 squared minus 2. And instead of putting an x, I'm going to put my x plus 3. So now I just need to simplify this area inside my parentheses. So x plus 3 minus 1. So I just need to simplify this plus 3 minus 1. And what I've got is x, 3 minus 1 is 2, so plus 2 squared minus 2. And that's my g of x rewritten. So now I can graph both of these. So I'm going to start, and I'm going to make my f of x in green. So the first thing I do is look to see where my vertex is going to be. And my transformation says that I'm going right 1 and down 2. So to the right 1 and down 2, and I'm going to put my vertex. There's no reflection and no stretch and compression. And I know that because my A is a 1. So I'm going to go ahead, oops, and sketch my f of x. And now I'm going to sketch my g of x. That'll be this guy right here. I'm going to make him yellow. So I need to see where my transformation is, and my x is going the opposite direction, so it's going to go to the left 2, and my y is going to go down 2. So going to the left 2 and down 2, I'm going to go ahead and put my vertex. There's no reflection or stretching. So I'm going to go ahead and just sketch equation g. That's my g of x.